up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, y'all know what it is, man. It's Friday. You know, every Friday we pump out a new first impression. First impression Fridays. For all my new people who don't know about it yet. Today I got a new fragrance that I'm unboxing for y'all, and this one you can pick up at the rack stores. So will this be some gas? Or is this shit gonna be trash?
That shit is fucking trash.
We gonna find out. But y'all already know what to do, man. Go ahead and grab you a seat, grab you some popcorn, and let's get it. YouTube, D4G here, man. So as you've seen, it's First Impression Friday, man. We got a new fragrance that we're bringing y'all today, and I'm excited about this one. But before we even get into all that, gotta say what's up to all the new subscribers out there. If you're new, welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, man, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification, so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, them A1 since day ones. Salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. First Impression Friday, man. Let's go over this package, man. I'm excited about this one. So the fragrance that I'm actually bringing out today is gonna be supposed to be a clone from the house of Tahari. Now, if y'all saw last week, I unboxed Tahari Ocean Aqua Wave. Tahari Aqua Wave. Bruh, this is a very nice Bleu de Chanel EDT clone. It's not as good as Missoni Pour Homme Parfum, but it's up there, bruh. It's up there, man. It's right up there along with Amber Oud Blue Edition. Well, they have a few more from the line. They have Tahari Black. Haven't smelled that one yet, so I don't know too much about it. But the fragrance that I am bringing y'all today is gonna be Tahari Red Musk. Now I'm kind of excited about this one because it's supposed to be a clone of like Mancera Red Tobacco, I think. But personally, I don't think that this will be a clone as much more so of a twist on inspired by. So we're gonna see what it has in there. Now, when I went to, me and Jaden, we went to a couple of rack stores, and the TJ Maxx actually had a bunch of these unboxed. So y'all know what we do with these, man. But they actually had a lot of them unboxed. Now I will say this, if you go to a Burlington's and get this, Burlington's, they're exactly $10 at a Burlington's. Come with a box, full presentation, everything. If you go to a TJ Maxx, they're gonna be unboxed and it's gonna be $13. Just letting y'all know for the people out there. But not a bad bottle, man. Just like Aqua Wave, nothing too much going on. Blank all around. You got some information, ingredients, batch code, all that stuff on the side there. I don't think the camera's picking it up too well. Red Musk on the front. Now, I tell y'all this all the time, man. And I keep seeing people talking about the opening and how harsh certain fragrances are, and they get this alcohol. Bruh, if you don't watch my videos, man, just tell them. D4G said all you gotta do is, bruh, spray that bitch up, man. Spray that bitch up all the way, fam. Get all that shit up out of there. Cause you, oh shit. Bro, I don't what the fuck I was saying. Bro, hold on, fam. Hey, man, y'all gotta give me a second, fam. Give me a second, cause this right here, this is noise. Give me a second, bro. Now that was just my reaction off me spraying it up. I told y'all you gotta get that alcohol that be sitting in the atomizer. But when you do that, you get hit with a nice whiff of what the fragrance could be. And bro, if y'all could smell this bitch right here, fam, I'm gonna spray it on the strip, but I can tell you right now, I'm already getting cinnamon. That's one of the dominant things that I'm getting. Cinnamon for sure. So this bitch is spicy. You know your boy love a good spicy fragrance, man. This, oh shit. Boy, hold up. Nah, hey, I'm getting some spices, cinnamon spices, a nice citrus. Now this isn't like the normal bergamot, lemon, not on that side of the citrus spectrum. This is more on the orange side. This smells like an orange or a mandarin orange type of smell. So you're getting a nice mandarin orange citrus with some cinnamon opening. I'm not picking up too much of tobacco, and in red tobacco I can just imagine that there would be some tobacco in there. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, and don't judge me, because I some of y'all, I know how some of y'all get. In the initial opening, when I sprayed this in my initial reaction, the first thing that came to my mind, or that it reminded me of, was Assad. Now, I'm not saying elixir. I'm strictly saying Assad, because when I sprayed Assad in the opening, this is what it's getting. I'm getting a lot of warmth. I'm getting a lot of cinnamon spices, a little bit of citrus. Not saying that I remember citrus in Assad, but the spicy opening, that cinnamon soft spice that I'm getting in the opening in this is reminding me of the spices, nutmeg, cinnamon that I was getting in Assad. And I'm not saying those are the exact notes, but the spices in this is up there, fam. I'm just not getting much of the tobacco factor. With me sitting here, I'm smelling it. Okay, so I can say that there is like a lemon style citrus in here. It's not bergamot or grapefruit. It's more so on the lemon side. So I'm getting a nice lemon as well as a nice cinnamon and a mandarin orange style citrus that I'm getting mixed up in there as well. Fam, this is nice, bro. For 10 bucks, this is nice, bro. I'm liking Tahari. I'm liking their fragrances, because Aquawave Blue, very nice Blue de Chanel. Very nice. Now, I don't know about the performance yet. I can't attest to the performance of these because I haven't really worn them out yet to see how long, the longevity, sillage, projection, those type of things. I don't know that yet, man. You got, hey, work with me. You know what I'm saying? Work with me. But initial impression, bro, Tahari is a green bean off of gold. I'm gonna spray Assad real quick because I really want to see what is it that I'm getting in there. So I really wasn't expecting to do all this, but I gotta spray Assad now to see what it is. Okay, Assad and Tahari. Assad and Tahari. Okay. Hear me out. It's really just the cinnamon spice. It's not too much. I'm sorry. Boy, if you don't. The cinnamon spice. But the spices initially in the opening comes out very much like Assad. It has remembrance of Assad. Like, you will remember a spiciness that you picked up, and that spiciness that you picked up was the initial opening in Assad. Take away that cinnamon spice, is not too much of a resemblance there. But this is still a green bean, but I will buy this one again. If I saw a review and knowing how I feel about it, I would go pick this one up and rock with it. For 10 bucks, you really can't do too bad. And for 10 bucks, you can get a lot worse fragrances. This is not a bad pickup. These two are not bad pickups, bro. A nice Aquawave, a nice Blue de Chanel EDT clone, Tahari Red Musk, very nice red cinnamon, red tobacco. Now, I can't attest to how close it is to red tobacco. I'm not really getting too much of the tobacco in the opening. I'm getting a nice cinnamon mixed with a nice mandarin orange, as well as a little bit of lemon. Outside of that, I'm not really picking up too much outside of those three. Now, this is supposed to dry down to a nice vanilla dry down, but from what I'm getting, I'm not picking up any vanilla. And even as this is still sitting on the strip, I can tell you this isn't going to be a beast mode fragrance, because the strip is dialed down some. It's not going to be beast mode. If I can get 5, 6 hours out of this, this is a cool pickup for me. I'm cool with a 5 to 6 hour fragrance. Now that's me saying this is somebody that has a collection. And if you're not somebody who's aspiring to have more than 100, more than 50 plus bottles, do I think that this is one that you just have to go out and get? No, not really. But if you're somebody who likes to collect fragrances and like different fragrances for different situations, depending on how important those situations are, this could be one that you could use for certain situations. I can see this as being a nice casual scent on cold days, running errands, or if you just want something that has like a nice spiciness, just casually walking around, maybe even running errands, nothing too crazy. This will be a good one for that. If you want to save those high dollar fragrances for occasions, going out, things like that, that's what that'll be for. But Tahari Red Musk, a fragrance like this will be one that's just nice to have around. Maybe throw it in a diffuser. Maybe you can put it on as well, just casually, but nothing too serious. Not a date, not a first impression, nothing like that, but just a casual, nice, smell good scent. You really can't go wrong with this one for 10 bucks. This is a nice pickup. But that's gonna be the video right there. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. I'm happy with this. For $10, I could have done so much worse, but for $10, I actually think I found one of the better buys that you can buy when it comes to fragrances for under that $10 threshold. If you can find something else, put it like this. If any of my subscribers or anybody that's watching this video can find a better spicy fragrance that's under $10, let me know and I will check it out. But right now, I think I might have found one of the best fragrances that you could pick up for under $10, man. Tahari Red Musk. This one is a green bean, fam. It truly is. But y'all know what it is, man. We about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. That's been for greatness. Ha! We out.